guys, it's Dev, and this is like the fourth time I've filmed this video, and hopefully today's the day that everything works out. So yeah, you would have seen some clips from things, you'll see them just now. Yeah, let's get into the video, let's get into the montage, and yeah, got some good news. Oh, here it is. It's mine. Paper's signed. So, yeah. This is my new car, guys. Audi S3. Just got it from Yusuf. Awesome guy. He helped me out so much. And yeah, the papers and everything. And yeah, let's give it a start. So I got a 2014 Audi S3. It's got 130 something thousand kilos on it. Yeah, so this is the new car. This is the replacement for the GT. I've waited months for this, and I'm gonna go surprise my friends with it. So the first person up is Blommy. Her name is Charlize. She's my girl best friend, and yeah, I'm closest to her house now, so I'm heading there now, and we'll see her reaction. First launch. Shut up. Kom eens zo, shut up. Hallo. Hallo. Are you sure? Because, yeah.
What's your name?
Hasn't got one yet. I still need to figure it out. S names, so there's Stitch, Sheldon, Sully from Monsters Inc. And then Spider-Man. So Spider-Man won't be the name, it'll just be the theme. And what are we doing?